We're going to continue to look at the assignment statement, and we're going to investigate a few other interesting aspects of what happens when you have variables that refer to data objects. So we've already seen that when I write an assignment statement, so for example, if I say A is a reference to the object 15, that what I'm really doing is I'm creating a reference diagram or an association that shows that A is the name of the data object 15, or A refers to the data object 15. And what that means is that when I evaluate A, so for example if I print A or if I use A in an expression, the value that A refers to will be used in its place. So, for example, let's just go back and look at this. If I say A is assigned the value 15, print A, and then when I run this program, I see that the value 15 comes out. And if I were to say print A plus 4, now when I run the program, the result is 19. Why? Because A plus 4, well, the way we would evaluate that would be take the value of A, which is 15, take the value of 4, which is 4, add them together, which gives us the data object 19, and that is what gets printed. Now that's a fairly simple way to think about assignment. It creates a reference from a name to a data object. But let's look at a little bit more of a complex situation where I use the same variable in two different assignment statements. So for example, let's say that I took an exam and I had a score of 75. So the way I could represent that would be to say score will be assigned 75. And of course what that means is that score is a name that refers to the data object 75. And so, as we saw before, if I come back over to my active code window and let's start over here. If I say score is assigned the value 75 and print score, then when I run this program, the value of score is 75. Now what happens if I find out that I really didn't get a 75, but my score really should have been 82? Well, what I would like to do then is reassign score to be 82. So I could write another assignment statement. Score is assigned to be 82. But now what happens to my picture? Because it's the same variable on the left-hand side of the assignment statement, what the second assignment statement does is it says, all right, evaluate the right-hand side. That gives me the data object 82. And now let score refer to 82. So now score is going to refer to the data object 82. But that means that the original reference to the data object 75 goes away. We refer to this as a reassignment. We are assigning a variable to a new value. We are reassigning it, in this case, from 75 to 82. So back over in the active code, if I follow this along, score is now going to be 82. And now when I print score, I'm going to see that the first print prints 75, but of course the second print now prints 82. Reassignment means that I have given a new reference. I've given a new association to that particular variable. Whereas it used to be 75, now it's 82.